Hey guys, it's another day at Derek Talk Tech, and today we have the video that started off my TTV series with the topic that many people want to know about. That topic is starting a YouTube channel. This video will guide anyone watching through the steps of making a channel, to customizing the channel, to uploading a video, and some of my tips as a bonus at the end. These are tips I've learned in the last 3 months of being a YouTuber, and I've included them so you don't have to face the obstacles of YouTube the hard way. For more info about this video and the TTV series in general, check out the video I uploaded yesterday, which is right up here. Now I show you how to start out as a YouTuber so you don't have to be confused about everything like I was when I started. Just a note that most of the tutorial has to be done on a computer, but you can still upload videos on a mobile device. Part 1. Creating a channel. To be able to create a YouTube channel, you have to have a Gmail account. If you have one already, skip this step. If you don't, I'll show you how. Type in create Gmail account and go down to accounts.google.com where it says create your Google account. And follow all the steps. When you're done, go to youtube.com and get ready for the next step. When you have your YouTube channel, the name that the channel is called is the name that you input to create your Gmail account. Some people like that, but sometimes you want to change the name. You don't want it to be your personal name. I'll show you how you can do that. Go to the Customize Channel button right here. Click on it. And press the gear icon for settings. And under Privacy, go down to the blue link that says Account Settings. Press on that. And it'll take you to this page where there's a tab on the left with 8 different tabs. Press on the top one that says Account. And then at the top under the logo, you'll see 3 blue tabs. Click on the middle that says Add or Manage Your Channel. And then click Create a New Channel. This will take you to brand accounts where you can use channel branding to use other channel names under the same Gmail account. I'll just call it Derek Tech World to start. Then create. And now you have your new channel right here. And next I'll show you how you can customize it and make it your own. Your channel page, as this is called, is going to look pretty boring unless you add some customization to it. I'll show you how to do that. There are 3 ways. First, click on the Customize Channel button. And the first way is to customize the logo of your channel. This can include a profile picture of yourself and the initials of your channel, or just a cool picture representing something in your channel. Second way is to add channel art. The minimum size for this channel art is 2200 pixels by 1100 pixels, but it can be the name of your channel with some social media links overlaying a cool picture, but it really could be anything. And it's just right at the top of the channel page. And the third main way is 2 things. One, the description, which tells fans a little bit about your channel or what you're going to be doing on your channel. And then also links, which you can put the sites for your social media, even a website that you have, and eventually even merch sites for selling merch. Here's some examples that I have on my channel. For the logo, I did the initials of my channel, and I did that on Google Draw. Here I did the channel art with my channel name and channel motto with a little subscribe button, overlaid a cool gear picture to represent tech. And then for my description, I have this. I don't have any links yet, but yeah, this is how I customize my channel, and I think yours will be cool too. The first video I did as a YouTuber was an intro video, introducing my channel. This is a good idea so your fans can get to know you. The way I did it was I went to Google Slides, and I created a new Google Slides and put all the information you want to put on here, explaining how you came to YouTube and what your channel's about and all of that good stuff. And for Windows 10, which I'm using right now, I use the screen recorder Xbox Game Bar, which is included. For Mac, there's the QuickTime Player, which also records your screen, which is included with Mac. And you can use that if you have a Mac. And once you're done with that, I'll show you how to upload. So to upload a video, you go to this little camera with a plus on it, and you hit upload video, the top option. Wait for it to load, and you can select the files that you want to upload. I'll upload this file right here. And then you can fill in the title, which is required, the description about the video, which tells your viewers about the video, a thumbnail, which can make viewers kind of be attracted to the video or tell a little bit about the video, add it to a playlist, which is just a grouping of videos that you can have, and then tell if it's made for kids or not, and if it has kids in it, and then tags, which is tags people can search by to find the video, and language, subtitles, recording date. You can choose to do that to tell your audience when you recorded the video, and then a category. There's all kinds of categories. If you're like doing video games, then there's the gaming, or the default is the last one you did. And then once you have that done, there's video elements, which includes cards and end screen. An end screen shows all the videos at the end that your viewers can see after the video is about to end. And then cards are the little things that pop up at the top of the screen that can promote content like videos or other channels. And then once you're done with that, pick if you want your video to be private, unlisted, or public. And then once you have that, just save, and you'll be done. Once you've uploaded your first video, you can start advertising your channel on social media or telling your friends about it so people can come, and start thinking about your next video. Do videos that relate to the niche that you pick out at the beginning. For example, if you want to have like a cooking channel, then post videos of you making meals, or if you have a gaming channel, post videos of you playing video games or talking about video games, and you get the idea. Make videos along with what kind of topic you are doing with your YouTube channel. And I wish you luck on your YouTube journey, but there is one thing that can help you. It's the thing I am in right now. It's called YouTube Studio, where you can view all of your videos and analytics of your videos and track how they are doing. Here it'll show a list of all your videos and number of views, comments, and all the stats. Recent comments that people have done on your videos, and then settings that can help you with videos. Like branding, where you can add a video watermark of a subscribe button in the corner, and YouTube Studio will help you along your journey. And now I'll show you the final part, some tips to help guide you as a long-term tuber. Tip 1. Keep uploading regularly. If you have an upload schedule, which is one thing you can put in an intro video, fans will know when videos are uploaded and watch at that time. And also, don't take too much of a break between releasing videos. 1 month in, I took a 2-week break and my views started going down. Tip 2. Don't give up. Don't feel bad if your channel isn't growing after a few weeks. If you keep making quality videos, at some point, there will be a breakthrough moment. If you do get frustrated or stuck, there are some other YouTube channels that I like that you can check out. The names are Catherine Manning, Think Media, and Nick Nimmin. I'll link their channels in the description. Tip 3. You come first, your fans come second. When picking a niche, always pick one you love and will have video ideas for a long time. Then, if it's a popular or trending niche, that would be an added bonus. If you don't like your current niche, but your fans do, it's okay to switch as long as you're happy and you tell your fans why you made the switch. They'll understand. Thanks for watching. If you have a question about starting a YouTube channel, ask me down in the comments section and I'll try my best to answer it. Be sure to like if you, like it. And share this video with any friends or family who want to start a YouTube channel but need help. Also, tell me in the comments what tech tutorial videos you would like me to make next. This is the first video in a series that I am doing that are tutorial videos of tech tricks and how-tos. I'll see you next time on Dare Talk Tech.